Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is 1 plus x cubed over 1 plus x to power of 3 plus x over 1 plus x to power of 2 is equal to 2. To find the value of x. In the first step, for this fraction, in here we have 1 plus x cubed, and we can write this as 1 plus x to power of 3 and minus 3x times 1 plus x, right? And for denominator, we have 1 plus x to power of 3 and plus x over 1 plus x to power of 2 is equal to 2. And in next step, we separate these two parts in this fraction, and it will be 1 plus x to power of 3 over 1 plus x to power of 3 and minus 3x times 1 plus x over 1 plus x to power of 3 and plus x over 1 plus x to power of 2 is equal to 2. In here, this will cancel this by 1, so we have 1 minus 1 plus x over 1 plus x to power of 2. This will cancel this power of 3 by 2, it will be 2. So we have 3x over 1 plus x to power of 2 and plus x over 1 plus x to power of 2 is equal to 2. And in here, we take this one to this side, and it will be negative 3x plus x. In here we have common denominator, right? So negative 3x plus x, it will be negative 2x over 1 plus x to power of 2 is equal to 2 minus this 1, it will be 1. In next step, we apply cross multiplication. So this is 1 over 1, right? So this times this and this times this. So 1 times negative 2x, it will be negative 2x, and 1 times 1 plus x to power of 2, it will be 1 plus x to power of 2. And in here, we have negative 2x is equal to, this to power of 2, it will be 1 plus 2x and plus x squared. And next step, we take this to this side, so it will be x squared, 2x, and this to this side will be 2x, so 2x plus 2x, it will be 4x, and plus 1 is equal to 0. And here, we use quadratic formula, which is x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of 4ac over 2a. And a from here is a coefficient of x squared is 1, and b is coefficient of x is 4, and c is constant is 1. And from here, x is equal to negative b is 4, so negative 4 plus or minus the square root of, sorry, this is b squared minus 4ac, right? So I fix it, b squared minus 4ac. And here b squared is 4 squared is 16, and minus 4 times a is 1, so 4 times 1 is 4, and times this one also is 4, over 2a is 2. And 16 minus 4 is 12, and is equal to negative 4 plus or minus, we can write 12 as 4 times 3, and the square root of 4, it will be 2, and times the square root of 3, right? And over 2, and it will be negative 4 over 2 is negative 2, and plus or minus this by 2, it will be square root of 3. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.